In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk SMS messages on Twilio step by step. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of using Twilio to send multiple text messages at once, efficiently and effectively. First, we need to set the foundation by logging into your Twilio account. Head over to the Twilio console, where you'll need your account credentials to access your dashboard. If you find yourself without an account, take a moment to create one. It's a simple process and will unlock all the great features Twilio has to offer. Next, let's get that all-important Twilio phone number. In your console, navigate to the phone number section and click on Buy a Number. It's crucial that you select a number which is SMS enabled, as this will be the dedicated source for all your outgoing bulk messages. Once your Twilio number is set up, we need to access your API credentials. Go to the settings page and find the API keys and tokens section. Here, you'll copy your account SID and auth token. These credentials are the bridge connecting Twilio to the messaging tool or app you're using, so keep them handy and secure. Now it's time to prepare your recipient list. Compile a comprehensive list of all the phone numbers you wish to send messages to. To avoid confusion and delivery issues, ensure each number is formatted internationally, like so. +1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Organizing these contacts in a spreadsheet or a format compatible with your messaging tool will streamline the process significantly. With your contacts ready, it's time to send those bulk messages through Twilio. Open the messaging application or automation tool that you've chosen to connect with Twilio. Input your list of recipients, craft the message you wish to send, and with a click of the send button, your messages will be on their way to multiple recipients simultaneously. As messages start to flow, monitoring delivery is crucial. Navigate back to the Twilio console and click on Messaging, then Logs. This area will provide valuable insights into the status of your messages, showing if they are queued, sent, delivered, or have failed. If any messages haven't reached their destination, don't hesitate to try resending them. Finally, let's touch on best practices to enhance your messaging activities. Keep your messages concise and clear to improve readability and engagement. If you're sending marketing communications, it's important to include opt-out instructions. Always adhere to Twilio's rate limits to keep your account in good standing. For those handling multiple campaigns, using separate API keys or sub-accounts is recommended to maintain organization and security. And that's how you send bulk SMS messages using Twilio. Always remember to double check your recipient lists and follow best practices to ensure your messages are delivered smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy messaging!